What's going on, guys? Traveling Power Rangers fan here, coming at you with obviously another Lego video. And I just want to start this video with a question. Have you ever been building your Legos as a kid, or maybe even as an adult like I am, and been thinking, man, I got a good enough idea for Lego. They should produce it. Well, hey, there's a program for that. It's called the Lego Ideas program. And we had a young man that had a great idea, and he submitted it, and it got enough votes to get picked up. So here is the Lego Ideas Medieval Blacksmith set. I saw this thing come out, and I actually didn't order it right away, and I got a little bit of FOMO, so I went ahead and ordered it. And I'm very happy that this guy decided to share his idea, gather his support, get a Lego review, and get the product built. So I'm more than excited to build this with you guys. I streamed half of the build one night, and then built the rest on my own. It was a good long time, but it was like a very good time. It's a very intricate build. I'm looking forward to sharing the building process with you here, and then give you an overview of the whole product. So let's get to building. Alright, here we are with the Lego Ideas. Set number 33 is the Lego Ideas number, but the actual set number is 21325. 18 plus series of Legos. More than excited to build this, so let's go ahead and unbox and see what we got inside as usual. Jeez. So the book talks about the idea guy. If you haven't seen the idea already, it was very well built. Let's see, how many bags do we got? Alright, we're looking at a 14 bagger. And we're coming in at about 309 steps, but then bag 14 is a chariot, and that's 10 more, so we're gonna say 320 steps to build this set. So let's get to building. Alright, here is the completed build, ladies and gentlemen. The Lego Blacksmith from Lego Ideas. What a set, man. The little details that go into this. So it's a 3-floor set. I'm going to go ahead and take apart each floor and show you guys in depth what's in each floor. But let's just do a little once over here. You got the sweet chimney. You got the roof is just magical here. You got the forge that actually lights up. Oh, I broke it. In depth, of course, here in a second on that. You get the sweet old-time look here. You got some plants down here that look fantastic. Overall, like, I'm so thrilled this build is a thing. Like, you get damages to the roof, the different coloring and everything. You got a little archer thing here for the archer characters. I'll go ahead and show those minifigs here as well here in a moment. Just fantastic build. The little details. I'm going to try to show as many as I can when I go in depth. So let's go ahead and break it down and show you the first floor. Alright, we're going freehand for this part. But hey, you can see down here, you got some logs hidden in there. Kind of hard to get the lighting right to show you. This sweet apple tree that came together really well. A little well. Here's some of the foliage. Those would be the stairs that are going to go up into the second floor. You got a cool front door that opens, of course. Some swords here right next to the anvil that is right next to the forge. And as I mentioned, it does actually light up when you press this. It's really awesome. You get a little dog bone here because the set came with a dog. Fun windows. Oh, looks like I'm a little crooked there. I'm a lot crooked. I'll have to fix that up here after the video. That goes into where the logs are. And the archery set again. Now, let's go ahead and spin around so we can go in. You got the kitchen with a broom and a hammer, a shovel, some kitchen stuff. There's a little anvil in there, some more awesome little armor and shields. All kinds of fun stuff in here. Let's go ahead and turn. And you can see the forge from inside as well. Detailed to have different colors and see the light from the inside. So, they took a lot of time to think about what are people gonna play with on this and everything. So now, let's go ahead and add the second floor. Alright, so we've got the second floor added in, which adds a nice little entryway into the door. And then we get some fun details on the second floor. We get a kitchen table with some chairs, some stairs that are going to go up to the third floor. You got a cauldron that you can spin in to get warm on the fire that is in there. Some carrots, some more cooking stuff. That looks like a butter churn. And some flames. You start to see the great detailing of the roof and our blacksmith sign and the start of our chimney that obviously is needed because of the forge being down there. You got windows that can open. Door, of course, can open so your minifigs can come in and out as needed. Fun chairs. That is the second floor. Let's go ahead and add the third floor. Alright, so I've added the third floor, but I've taken off half of the roof so that you can see what is in there. You get a little tile here that says Once Upon a Time with a little quill so you can write. There's a hidden fireplace back in there. This amazingly detailed little bed right next to this wolf rug. Or not wolf, sorry, bear. If you paid attention when I was building, I actually messed this up and had to end up rebuilding that section. And then, got some exterior niceties here. The roof is removable on both sides. I am afraid to break it. How embarrassing would that be to break it on camera? Alright, I guess it's a two-hand removal. Great, I look like a failure. And our sweet chimney going all the way down to our forge. So, that is our set. let's go ahead and talk about it. A little bit more detail, my thoughts. So, I almost forgot to show off the awesome minifigs. So, we've got two knights here, one of which is a woman, which is awesome. Some people have complained that it's not historically accurate, but who cares? Then, we have our archer that gets to use the archery area. And then, of course, our blacksmith with his cool hair and beard. Then we got a little doggo. Haven't decided what his name will be yet. Maybe drop a comment on what you think his name should be. And then we have this cool wagon. I have decided to put the helmets for the knights in it, and a cool horse that brings back a lot of nostalgia for me, because I can remember playing with some of these Lego horses as a kid. So that is what else was built in the kit that I had not shown off. Alright guys, here we are, end of the video. Just want to give a huge shout out to whoever is still here at the end of this video. This video has turned out to be a lot longer than I expected, but when it's a 14 bag set of over 2,000 pieces, it takes some time to build, so it also takes some time to watch it go very quickly as a build. So, thanks again guys for tuning in. And of course, I always encourage you to subscribe to this channel if you're not. More content on its way as always. I have held true to my one video a week for all of 2021. Not that that's saying very much because we're in the second week of February, but hey, more content coming, more streams, all that good stuff. Of course, if you're not following me on Instagram, please do check me out on Twitch, Discord, all the platforms. There's been links and advertisements throughout this whole video, but of course, check down in the description for links to all of my platforms. And yeah, thanks for checking out this video, guys. I hope you like this set as much as I have.